Hey everybody, we're here to announce our Snapshot Snowstorm winners. This was our most successful leasing contest, and fourth quarter results were amazing. We're so proud of your efforts and results. We awarded over 200 PTO days and over 53 entries from August through December for properties that's got 94.5 or greater for their current and projected occupancy.
The Atlantic Loring Heights and the Atlantic House Station both qualified all 5 months. Congratulations.
So now we're about to announce our grand prize winner. And this winner gets 5 PTO days for the entire property employees. So we're super excited. And the winner is the Atlantic Doral.
Congratulations, everyone.
Great job.